Hi, this is Justin with Kristian Electric. I'm here today to show you how to install a AccuLock front load liner into a Bernard BTB gun. So we got a few parts laid out here. We got our front load liner, we've got a nozzle, diffuser, AccuLock diffuser, 035 tip. That'll depend on what size wire that you were welding with. And this is our power pin tip. As you'll notice, there's a set screw in there. The first thing we do is we uncoil our liner. And be careful not to kink it as you're undoing this. We're gonna take the dead end here and we're gonna feed it through the front of the gooseneck here. So as we get it all fed through, you'll see you got a stopper here right on the end of the gooseneck. And basically to hold that in place, we're gonna put our diffuser onto the gooseneck and we're gonna tighten that up. Not too tight, but nice and snug. Now that that's held in place, we're gonna grab our power pin tip with our set screw and we're gonna feed that over top of the liner and thread that onto our power pin. So tighten that up. And as you'll see, we have some extra length of liner here. We need to cut that down to about 1/4 of an inch sticking out past. And before we cut it, let's tighten up the set screw. We'll cut that. And now we just install our tip, nozzle, and we're ready to weld.